here in Miamisburg, Ohio again. This is the Miamisburg depot behind me, as you can see. This is a wet, dreary morning. Rain, rain, rain. So I figured I could stay a little bit dry here under these eaves. That's why I came here. So we'll get a video for you together. I'm on the Toledo sub, run Cincinnati to Toledo, all CSX. So stay tuned. We'll see what we can get for you. And I appreciate you guys. Okay, gate's going down here in Miamisburg. Got a southbound coming. M351, I believe he said. Coming at you. Jesse! Awesome. He was moving on. I believe that was M351 heading south. Anybody see the 85-foot chassis on it? Pretty cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, gate's coming down. Got M558 coming up. He is Cincinnati to Detroit. I think he works Walbridge, Ohio. Got a funny sounding horn. I wonder what's on the front of this. Boy, was he short. Yeah, they had two SD70 ACs on the front. Pretty cool. They look like they're freshly painted. All right, waiting for another one. Thanks for watching. Okay, got M508 coming down. He's Cincinnati to Detroit as well, but he works Walbridge, Ohio. The last train works Willard. Got the Terrible 63 down there. He found me here, so I'll put a link in the description for his channel. M508 coming at you. Boston to Maine. Nice. All right, there went 500 axles. Just like that. Had a couple fallen flags on there. All right, guys, that's 3 quick trains. Let's see if we can get some more. Thanks for watching. Gate runners. All right, got another CSX coming north here. Miamisburg, Ohio. I did not hear what he called out, so I'm not sure what train this is, but it's an auto rack. Could be 204, 276, not sure. Thanks, guys. Loaded too. Heard a few bearings squealing in that one. Gave us a good horn salute. He was loaded too. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, we moved over across the river in Miamisburg to the Norfolk Southern side. And we got Norfolk Southern 171 coming down and coming at you. here. Southern Belle pushing. That might be 179, not 171. Kansas City Southern pushing. I love it. Don't see them very often around here. All right, guys, thanks for watching.